Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Aeroquad drone is probably one of the most anticipated and sought-after aerial photography and videography tools to hit the market this year, boasting an impressive array of features designed to elevate your content creation game to professional heights. From its advanced stabilization system ensuring buttery-smooth footage even in challenging conditions to its intuitive controls that make piloting accessible for both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts alike, promising an unparalleled flying experience that captures the world from breathtaking new perspectives. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo. Weighing less than 249 grams, it's as light as an apple and fits in your palm. This compact drone is your perfect travel companion for capturing memories. Experience up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission with excellent anti-interference. This allows you to fly further and see your surroundings with remarkable clarity. Enjoy up to 31 minutes of flight time, giving you ample time to get the perfect shot. It can handle level 5 winds and take off at high altitudes, ensuring stable footage. You don't need to get too close for that perfect shot. With 4x digital zoom, it's safer and easier to switch between different shot compositions. With just a few taps, automatically record and shoot professional level videos. The app helps you create impressive content with soundtracks and filters, ready for social media. Record breathtaking footage in stunning 4K resolution. This drone makes it easy to capture professional quality videos from the sky. What we like. This drone is incredibly portable, weighing less than an apple. If you are looking for a travel companion that captures memories from a new perspective, this is it. Its long flight time and excellent transmission range mean you can explore further and get the perfect shot. What people say. The camera is excellent and the gimbal is outstanding. No matter how fast you are flying or how crazy, the gimbal is always catching a great view. The MM2 can shoot at high FPS 1080p with 4x zoom, 2.7K with 3x zoom, and 4K with 2x zoom, and let me tell you, the zoom is not a joke. The Mini 2 is an upgrade over the original Mini. The main upgrade are OcuSync 2.0 connection, 4K video, and adding DNG, RAW video to JPG. Those are all big upgrades. Number 4. Holy Stone HS440 Foldable FPV Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial scenery with its 1080p HD camera. The 112 degrees wide-angle lens helps you capture every wonderful moment from a unique perspective. Enjoy an impressive flight time of up to 20 minutes with its powerful modular battery. This allows you to explore more of your surroundings and capture extended footage. This drone is designed to be foldable and comes with a convenient carrying case. It offers complete freedom to create wherever you go, making it easy to transport. With features like automatic takeoff and precise hovering, operating it is simpler and safer than ever. Enjoy more fun with its one-key high-speed rotation. It's a must-have for beginners, equipped with intelligent functions like emergency stop, headless mode, and altitude hold. These features ensure a user-friendly and safe flying experience. Take control with your voice or simple hand gestures for an intuitive flying experience. It's designed for both adults and kids to enjoy. What we like. This drone offers a great entry point for beginners with its intuitive controls and voice command features. If you're a beginner or looking for a fun, easy-to-operate drone for casual aerial photography, this is a fantastic choice. The included carrying case makes it perfect for on-the-go adventures. What people say. The drone is incredibly stable and easy to fly, even for beginners. The camera quality is surprisingly good, capturing crisp and vibrant aerial shots. Battery life is impressive, allowing for extended flight times on a single charge. Number 3. DJI Mini SE Drone. Weighing less than 249 grams, this drone is as light as your smartphone. This means you can fly it in the US and Canada without needing to register it with the government. This lightweight and powerful drone is perfect for creators on the move. Its ultra-portable design lets you effortlessly capture moments in unforgettable ways. Its light weight allows it to stay in the air longer than similar drones. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight time with a fully charged battery. It supports 12MP aerial photos and 2.7K HD videos. The 3-axis motorized gimbal ensures superior camera stability and clear, ultra-smooth footage. It can resist winds up to 38 km/h and take off at altitudes of 4,000 meters. Your footage will remain stable even in windy conditions or at high altitudes. The companion app offers various templates that generate amazing videos with just a tap. Even beginners can turn any moment into a social media hit. What we like. This drone is designed for creators on the move, offering a lightweight design that often bypasses registration requirements. If you value ease of use, extended flight time, and the ability to capture stable footage without hassle, this drone is ideal. It's perfect for spontaneous adventures and capturing stunning visuals. What people say. Super easy to use. I changed the controller settings to setting 3, which mimics most video game flying controls, like GTA for instance. And immediately I was a natural. It has a great range, a good camera, it's just under 4K and doesn't lag at all, and is forgivingly durable. The 2.7K video and freeze frames are very high quality. If you need to make prints, then take the digital snapshot so you get the large digital photo file. Number 2. Holy Stone HS710 4K GPS Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial views with its incredible 4K camera. The wide-angle lens and adjustable angle capture every detail, while advanced 5 GHz transmission ensures a smooth, long-range view. Let it fly itself with intelligent GPS features like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight. These functions allow for automatic flight, freeing your hands and letting everyone enjoy the fun. It's designed for ease of use, with altitude hold for stable hovering and smart return to home for peace of mind. One key takeoff and landing make it simple to get started. Enjoy incredibly stable flight, indoors or out. The combination of GPS, GLONASS, and optical flow positioning ensures it hovers precisely in place. Equipped with powerful brushless motors, it maintains a stable position even in windy conditions. Enjoy extended flight times of up to 25 minutes with its convenient modular batteries. Its lightweight and foldable design makes it easy to take anywhere. You can travel without the burden of FAA registration, making it perfect for adventures. What we like. This is a professional-grade drone packed with intelligent flight features for an enhanced experience. If you are looking for advanced capabilities like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and superior stability for high-quality aerial photography, this drone is an excellent option. Its powerful brushless motor ensures reliable performance even in windy conditions. What people say. The drone folds down to a small size and the carrying case is a good bonus. The drone is quick but easy to control. The camera is better and 90 degrees movable. The interface on the transmitter and the app is more friendly and the battery life is longer. The camera was capable of making detailed videos and still shots. The app and drone interfaced well with my iPhone X. It is small and compact and easy to store and pack for travel. Number 1. BLINORY X60 2K HD FPV Drone. Experience breathtaking aerial views with its 2K HD camera, featuring a 90 degrees adjustable angle for the perfect shot. Enjoy smooth, stable footage thanks to built-in shock absorption and 5 GHz real-time transmission. With 2 included batteries, you get an impressive 32 minutes of flight time per charge. This allows you to explore and capture more without interruption. It's equipped with a powerful brushless motor, ensuring a smoother, quieter, and more durable flight experience. This provides outstanding performance in any condition. Designed for ease of use, it features one-button takeoff landing and headless mode. Optical flow hover technology ensures stable flight, making it ideal for beginners and young pilots. Explore a variety of functions like 360 degrees flips, waypoint flying, and gesture selfies through the dedicated app. These features make flying more immersive and enjoyable. Weighing under 250 grams, it doesn't require FAA registration. Its foldable design and included case make it easy to take on any adventure, from camping to hiking. What we like. This drone offers a compelling blend of features for both beginners and enthusiasts, boasting a high-quality camera and extended flight time. If you want a drone that's easy to fly, provides smooth video, and offers plenty of time in the air for creative exploration, this is a great pick. Its foldable design and included case make it convenient for outdoor excursions. What people say. The controls are intuitive and smooth, which made learning to navigate it a total breeze. The camera quality really exceeded my expectations. The photos and videos come out crisp and clear, making it awesome for capturing memorable moments from above. The drone flies well and is very responsive. I am glad it comes with 2 batteries to extend the fly time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.